Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to show you how to unblock Roblox on school Chromebook. So if Roblox is blocked on your school Chromebook, it is important to note that attempting to bypass school restrictions or access blocked websites may violate your school's policies. And it is always best to follow your school's rules and guidelines for internet usage. However, if you have a legitimate reason to access Roblox and believe it aligns with your school's policies, you can try the following methods. First is to contact your school's IT department. So reach out to your school's IT department or the designated person responsible for managing the Chromebook devices. Explain your need to access Roblox and inquire if they can make an exception or provide a solution. Next is to use a VPN. So a virtual private network or a VPN can help bypass certain network restrictions by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through different servers. However, using a VPN may violate your school's policies, and many schools have measures in place to block VPN usage. So it is essential to check your school's policies before using a VPN and understand the potential consequences. Next is to use a proxy website. Proxy websites allow you to access Block's website by acting as intermediaries. They receive requests on your behalf and forward the responses to your browser. But however, proxy websites may also be blocked or restricted by your school. So keep in mind that using proxy websites can be risky as they can compromise your privacy and security. So use them cautiously and responsibly if allowed by your school. Next is to utilize browser extensions. So some browser extensions or add-ons claim to bypass restrictions and allow access to blocked websites. However, these extensions may not always be effective or could pose security risks. Use them with caution if allowed by your school. Next is to use different network. So if possible, you could try accessing Roblox outside of the school's network. So for example, you could try using your home network or public Wi-Fi network that does not have the same restrictions. However, ensure that you comply with your school's policies regarding the use of personal devices on their network. Again, it is important to note that attempting to bypass school restrictions may have consequences and violate your school's policies. It is always recommended to discuss your concerns with your school's IT department or an appropriate authority to seek guidance and determine the best course of action. So that is all. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. So yun, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.